Hello, and welcome to Mind Vomit. Been a little while. Took a little hiatus. I didn't plan to, but I did. After Thanksgiving, the Ronies, I caught them. I got the Ronies and was down for a little bit. And I work in the automotive industry. And as you know, the automotive sales market is pretty crazy right now. Cars are selling for crazy prices. And we're working overtime. Lots of it. So I hadn't gotten around to working on this video with the holidays coming up and everything. So I took a little break. But I'm back and I finished this video inking the Alien Xenomorph. And it was a learning process. I used ink pens I've never used before, Pigma Microns in various sizes. I'm used to drawing with like Bic pens and things like that, and these pens are a little different. I had to learn new technique. On this Xenomorph artwork, I tried a lot of different techniques. The one I always fall back on is always kind of like this scribble, kind of scribbly shading technique. I like the way it looks. It makes things look more organic. I also did a lot of cross-hatching. I also tried some techniques that I saw when I have watched one of my favorite artists, Nate Van Dyke, and where he does this little scribble thing and then kind of flicks the pen away, and so it builds up kind of a thicker line at the bottom and then one that fades off as you flick it away. This was a learning process, but I'm glad I did it. I've never drawn an alien xenomorph before, so it was interesting to see that kind of texture and the way the character was created. I had a lot of fun learning new techniques, how to use these pens properly. There's a lot of different things I do in this video. I'll probably speed it up. It's definitely a learning process. And I want you to understand that if you're an artist and you're struggling and you don't think what you do is good enough or whatever, all of us make mistakes. All of us are learning new things and trying new things. One thing that was hard for me to learn as an artist is that people would look at my artwork and say, wow, that's really good artwork. That's really great. That's amazing you can do that. And I saw all the flaws. And I would point out all these flaws to people. Like, oh, don't you see where this is? I kind of messed up here. I kind of messed up there. And I had to learn not to do that. Don't ever do that. Just smile and say thank you, because people don't see the same flaws you do. There's people out there who can't draw like you, but drawing takes time. It takes practice. It took me years of looking at the world around me and just being fascinated with textures and the way things look. And I spent my whole life drawing. I'm speed it up because it's really long. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.